Hiaha te kai, he kai raranga te kai. Hiaha te kai, he kai kōrero te kai. Hiaha te kai, he kai tātaki te kai. Kai ora me maruhera. Nau piki mai nau, kake mai nau, haere mai ki tēnei wahanga o te rao. Kai ora, ngari kei tāku tahai tēnei wā. Te tahi o ngā kai mahi o te haurao Ngāti Hine te tahi waku. Tino hoa, e mara hakahua ho mai tō. Ingoa, ko ai koe no hea koe.
Tēnā rā tātou, ko Kongaroa Kingi tōku ingoa, no whangarei ahau. Ai, kia ora.
Oh, kia ora mo tēnā rangatiranga kōrero kātika. Actually, for all our whānau out there that don't know what you do, could you please give an explanation of your role here at Ngāti Hine Health Trust with our rangatahi in the north?
Yeah, so here at Ngāti Hine Health Trust, I deliver 2 contracts here, so rangatahi physical activity and sexual reproductive health. My role within those 2 contracts is to work with our rangatahi and their whānau to provide services around physical activity, so nutrition, not just limited to those things though, and also with the sexual reproductive health, it's just to give whānau, I guess, guidance around different services, things that are available for our rangatahi. So my delivery for rangatahi physical activity is through Maurako, and I know a lot of those students that I've previously worked with, they end up coming into my class the following year, depending on how old they are. One of our main requirements as going into schools as kaimahi is to have the teacher present, and that's a main requirement. And so it's kind of the teacher's job to kind of get them sorted in terms of behaviour, and my role is just to go in there and focus on delivery and focus on the needs of our rangatahi, and they kind of just fall into line. It's something that is relatable to them because they're Māori, they're rangatahi Māori, and so the program is related for Māori, I guess for me, like, sometimes you'll meet rangatahi and sometimes you won't even get a hello out of them, like for the first maybe 2 or the first class. But I think just when they initially warm up to you, just getting them to say kia ora, hello, and I know for some people that's like, oh, they didn't even say anything, but it means the world, when most of our rangatahi can't really even pick their head up some days. So just them acknowledging and saying kia ora is a huge success story for me.
Kia ora, ka tika mimihi atu ki a koe, mwene o ngā kōrero e kauanga rua, hono mai anō, a te pōnei a te iwa karaka mo te wahanga hakamutunga o kai ora. Hiaha te kai, he kai raranga te kai. Hiaha te kai, he kai kōrero te kai. Hiaha te kai, he kai tātaki te kai. Kai ora me maruhera.